Hi, I'm Josh from Kleen. Today we're going to go through our hot water fully electric unit. This machine has been designed to go anywhere where a traditional hot water, gas-fired or oil-fired piece of equipment cannot go. Utilized by mills, refineries, anywhere where you can't have an open flame. This is put into an equipment room, hooked into the power supply, and flick a switch and you have a hot water pressure washer. The pressure ranges on these are from 2,000 PSI right up to 5,000 PSI. And the gallons per minute is from 4 gallons per minute up to 10 gallons per minute. The machine in this video today is a 4 gallons per minute, 3,000 PSI. It's a 575 volt, 3-phase. These units are available with a 24 kilowatt heater, 48, 72, and 115 kilowatt. Another thing to pay attention to with the fully electric is your voltage. So the amp draw required. So when consulting with your sales rep, also consult with your electrician or engineers on staff to make sure you have enough power to supply these units. You basically have an electric heater and you have your pump system. The heaters, we have these in the field that are 30 plus years old. They're very low maintenance cost. The only thing you really have to maintain is your pump. The electric motor and the heater are pretty well, you don't touch them. So the only thing your guys are gonna have to do in the shop is change the oil in the pump, check your belt. So a great unit to your company and a great asset to your business. So how this works is your inlet's here for your water supply. So your pump is, you pump your water through your pump under pressure. There's a connector hose that comes from your pump into your coils. So in this tank here is 2 stainless steel, 3/16 stainless steel coils that are submerged in water. So this tank is filled with water and it surrounds the coils. And there's heating elements in the bottom of that coil which heats the water up, and it's a heat transfer through the water to your heating coil. So that's why it's important when we discuss about the flow, what size kilowatt heater you get. So if you're going with a 10 gallon per minute, we recommend no less than a 72 and maybe even up to 110 kilowatt or 115 kilowatt heater to have a constant supply of hot water. So make sure you discuss that with your sales rep, what your application is, how often you're going to be using it, because that is key things that we're going to want to know to make sure you have the correct unit that you need for now and in the future, because you're going to own this machine for a long time. The machine here, our pump is a belt drive unit. With the general pump. Our tipper head shroud has our integrated belt guard, again, which exposes the belts. Easy to work on your pump, so if you need to service your pump, change the oil, your seals and your packings. Nice thing about the integrated belt guard, it exposes your belt, so anytime that you're servicing your pump, it's a good time to have a look at your belts, make sure everything's tight, everything's lined up. When you take the belt guard off, sometimes they don't get put back on the machine. With the integrated one, every time you put that shroud down, it covers your belts. In the video, this is a 7.5 horsepower, but we have them ranging from 3 horsepower right up to 20 horsepower in our fully electric series. This is a 3-phase, so we have a 1.25 service factor. These are available in 575, 208 3-phase, 460, 480 volt, 50 hertz, 60 hertz, so we can do that. Another available option that we have for our fully electric is our stainless steel skin for our heater and for our shroud. So again, in corrosive environments, chemical plants, saltwater environments, anywhere where you're going to want that added protection, it is an available option for us. Our water never exceeds 190 F, so you never have to worry about scale buildup on your heater elements, which is crucial. So this is going to prolong the life of your heater elements, so you don't have to worry about replacing them. So like I said before, we have these in the fields that are 30 plus years old that are being used 30 hours a week, week in, week out, and they're a rugged machine, and these are a machine that you're going to have for 20 plus years. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions on our fully electric hot water, give us a call today, 1-800-315-5533. Ask for Josh.